That is good. I've been dying to check this place out. Let's go see what they got. I love the ambiance in here. Check out all the cool lights and the nice little outside seating they got. Is that how you say it? Sorbet?
Sorbet, yeah.
Is it? Yeah. It's not sherbet?
No.
Oh, okay.
Sorbet. The
Oh,
sherbet
okay.
is spelled like sherbet.
Oh, okay. I got you. Learn something new every day, huh?
Yeah.
I'm gonna tell you right now, I think my favorite's gonna be the puppy chow.
That is really good.
Man, that's some good ice cream. Now let's try the pistachio, one of my personal faves. Strawberry sorbet. Oh my God, is that good? I knew I was gonna like this one. Let's try the Cookie Monster. Me want cookie. Man, it's so fresh. I couldn't leave without trying one of their specialty paletas. So make sure the next time you're in downtown Tinley, you come by Scoops and check out all the other nice places Oak Park has to offer.